All right, I'm going to show you how to set up your hero images for desktop and for mobile, how to properly save them out as a WebP file. We'll show that here also. So first thing you want to do is for your hero banner image, this is going to be 1920 by 600 pixels. You want to set that up in Photoshop, and then we'll put that in there. Same for the mobile. We're going to do 800 by 1200 pixels. Set that up. And then for a product photo, I'll show an example of this also, 1080 by 1080. But first, so after we saved all the photos, to change that, you would come into here, click the Enable Visual Builder. It's up there. I already did that. Then you click on the gear icon, blue here. Go to background. Select the image, background image here. We already have the background image in. So what you would do is you would just go in here and pick the background image for desktop. You click that, click upload, and then you come in for mobile. Click this icon over here for the phone. You're still in the background image. You're just going to the mobile version. See up here. You click that, and then you would upload the mobile version and click upload. I've already put both in there, but that's how you do that. And then after you upload it, you click the checkbox here to save that. And then to go live on the site, you click the purple dots and click save right here, and that makes it live. All right, I'm gonna show you real quick how to save the photo properly as a WebP file. What you wanna do, so for here for a product image, you set up at 1080 by 1080, and then you will do, on a Mac, it's Command Option S, which then here allows you to save it. You go down to WebP file. Let's see if I can make this fit. You save that, and when you hit save, it's going to give you an option here for compression. And a lot of times you can do a medium or even a low, and it'll make the file quite a bit smaller. But if we have a lot of writing, like this does here for the products, you'll probably want to put it at a high. And then when I save it, I already did this earlier, you'll see the difference. So here was just a standard right here, this one, a standard that was saved out as a WebP that you had sent to me, and it's 125. And then I saved this as 75% compression, and you'll see it cut it in half, a little more than half. And if we go down to a 50% WebP file or even 25, it'll get even smaller. But if you got a lot of text, I would keep it at the high level. All right, hopefully that's helpful. Thanks.